Vietri Sul Mare, the gateway to the Amalfi Coast. It's colourful, it's charming, and it's full of contrasts. Worn facades stand beside dazzling mosaics, and everyday life unfolds against a backdrop of centuries-old ceramic tradition. Life here is real, it's beautiful, and it's completely unforgettable. I'm Nicola, and today we're going to explore the top 5 things to do in Vietri Sul Mare. Number 1. Ceramics.
This place is famous for its ceramics because they've been making it here for centuries. While you'll find embellishments on many of its beautiful buildings, like its churches, there's lots just dotted around the streets as well. You can't miss them, and it really adds something to the atmosphere here.
Locals here have been shaping clay and creating tiles for generations. The pops of colour in the park and on the streets tell the story of the town's people, its traditions and everyday life. The people here are welcoming, and even though we do not speak the same languages, when I popped my head around the corner, I was welcomed into a little workshop on a back street where I could see locals carrying on this tradition. These ceramics aren't just decoration, they depict everyday scenes. Fishermen, farmers and village life. Other works carry religious symbolism, blending faith with folklore. And everywhere you look, you'll see recurring patterns of the sun, the sea, donkeys and lemons, symbols of the Amalfi Coast itself. The ceramics are everywhere, in murals decorating stairways and shop fronts overflowing with colour. But it's not just for show, it's a way of life. Life here is colourful and completely unpretentious. Grocers sell fresh fruit and vegetables. Neighbours exchange news in the street. And the buildings wear their history proudly. The contrast between the vibrant ceramics and the weathered walls is what makes Vietri so fascinating. On our first visit, a sudden downpour sent us running for the bus back home to Salerno. But even in the rain, Vietri had sparked our curiosity, and we knew we had to go back. Number 2. Villa Comunale. The next day the sun returned, and we did too. Our first stop was on the outskirts of the town in Villa Comunale, a park where stairways and walkways are decorated with bright tiles. There's even an amphitheatre here, open to the sea breeze. The views are incredible, and the park offers a delightful contrast to the hubbub of the town. Number 3. Solimene Ceramics. No visit to Vietri is complete without the Ceramica Artistica Solimene. Its bold facade makes it one of the town's landmarks. Inside, the process remains unchanged. Clay, colour and craftsmanship. Seeing the half-finished pieces made me reflect on the pace of life here. Slow, traditional, but vibrant.
Dove fa la fotografia?
We enjoyed lunch in Bar Miramare, a popular spot overlooking one of the main squares. Across from us, the Cathedral of St. John the Baptist rose above the town. Number 4. The Duomo and Bell Tower. The Duomo and Bell Tower sit in a quiet square. Inside, the church is simple, uplifting, bold and serene. A moment of calm before heading down to the sea. Number 5. The beach. From the Duomo, we walked down to the beach. Here the mountains frame the horizon. Buildings clinging to the cliffs and breathtaking views across the sea. This area offers a whole new perspective of the town. And further along the coast, two giant rocks are just offshore. These two sea stacks are known as I Due Fratelli, the two brothers. Local legend says they were once young shepherds who rushed into the sea to save a drowning woman. They managed to bring her to safety, but the waves claimed their lives. The gods, moved by their bravery, turned them into stone so their sacrifice would never be forgotten. We finished our day with bruschetta and salad on the sea front. The perfect end before a lovely trip home on the ferry. From the jetty, we caught the ferry back to Salerno. Vietri Sul Mare is the perfect introduction to the Amalfi Coast, and our journey continues next week in Salerno. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss it. And if you'd like to see more of our Amalfi Coast adventures, check out the playlist linked here. Until next time, happy exploring!